If you've decided to delete your Pandora account permanently, follow these steps to ensure your account is removed completely. Step 1. Login. Visit the Pandora website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings by clicking on your profile icon or name, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Step 3. Find account deletion option. In the account settings menu, look for an option related to account management or account deletion. This may be labeled as delete account or something similar. Step 4. Confirm deletion. Click on the account deletion option. You will likely be prompted to confirm your decision. Read any warnings or information provided about what deleting your account entails, then confirm that you want to proceed. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After confirming, check your email for a confirmation message from Pandora. This email will verify that your account deletion request has been processed. Once you complete these steps, your Pandora account will be permanently deleted. Make sure to consider any saved playlists or preferences, as they will be lost forever.